Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Today we had an organ donation program with Mapsa Municipal Council in association with IMA Goa. So a lot of myths and doubts were there in people's mind which were cleared, and henceforth we will be looking forward for more programs like that with the support of the press and donation. There are two ways of donating organs. Is either living donor or a deceased donor. Deceased donor is called brain dead. So brain dead, there is a procedure to be done, like a declaration of brain dead and vice versa. So for that person who has to get enrolled in a waiting list, which is there in GMC at present. So there is an entire procedure of all those things.
But things have evolved now. You don't have to be a twin brother. You don't have to be even related. You can have a lot of mismatch and you can still do transplant. But organ transplant has been the miracle of modern medicine. It has made possible for a lot of people to get a second lease of life.
आमच्या हिंदू धर्मात अंतिम संस्कार करप हेच योग्य, पण आयज जेन्ना दोतोरान सांगलें तेन्ना कळटा की खरेंच आमच्या पार्ट्साची कितली गरज आसा आनी त्या हेतूंतल्यान आमी कोणाचो तरी जीव वाचोवपाक पळयता. सगळ्यात व्हडली गजाल ही जिवाची, आनी हें व्हडलें काम जेन्ना आज डॉक्टराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां जर मेळटा जाल्यार हेच्याकून व्हडली गजाल आनी ना.
A lot of there is a big market for organs, and we all know about the other side of it as well. But this is an organization that helps you understand and helps you go through the right channels to ensure that everybody has consented to the organ donation. And it is our job as elected representatives to see what best we can do and how we can spread the message in our communities on a micro level. Organizations and initiatives, we can make the public and people more aware of the facilities available today, and most importantly, awareness and spreading the message through the right channel.